So I'm going to show you what I do to kind of prepare for the coming week. I don't do this all the time, but probably once a month. It's very relaxing to me. I'm always kind of excited to start the coming week, and this kind of calms me down. Put things in place that was kind of moved around throughout the week. So I'm just going to bring you along. This is just going to be my preparation for the week's for the next week. So if you want to stay tuned, continue to watch. If anyone's wondering, I switched out from the Ryobi standard gun that they use in the pressure washer to this thing I bought on Amazon for 18 bucks. A little smaller footprint, definitely a little bit better, and they have a turbo kind of nozzle. I guess it just kind of, I don't know, it adds, I guess, a little bit of pressure, and it's kind of a random movement, so I guess it breaks down the dirt a little bit easier. So there you go. So that's what I'm using with the little cheap, I don't know, $79 Ryobi pressure washer, and I do have the foamer, so. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up here, but I had some stuff that I ordered off of Amazon. This is a kind of a touch-up pen that I use. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. Hopefully it focuses. So, beautiful touch-up pen. It's actually designed, I believe, for just autographing like paintings and stuff. It comes with a brush to clean it out, and I believe I get the large version of this. Yeah, so the large version. So. It's called a fluid writer off of Amazon. I'll try to leave the link below. I picked this up. I used to TIG weld a lot, and I was just going through some stuff, and I believe this is just a copper kind of backing I used to use it for, so I can weld. I'm going to see if I can actually knock down crowns with this, or at least attempt to. I may have to build something off of this stainless so that I can kind of knock on this, but we'll see. It's a perfect shape. I did kind of sand it down to get all the imperfections of me welding. So if you see that, guys, so there you go. To me, preparation is key. It's the key to my success. So every Sunday, I tend to just kind of gather all my thoughts and just get prepared for the coming week. So I'm going to gas this up. And we'll see you on the next video. Happy Sunday, guys.